Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to create a no reply email format using Microsoft 365. Well, there is a lot of methods nowadays going through the web, so there is a lot of communities, platforms where they are talking about this and they have mistakenly doing the wrong steps. So for this video, we are going to use one of the recent answers from one of the Microsoft agents and moderator of the platform so we can get the full answer. Now, as you can see here, the guy is explaining that the method that this guy has been using is wrong. So it seems that the method you use to create no reply from is not very effective as it only disables the reply options. Now, this is the better way. A better way to create no reply email address in Outlook 365 is to use a shared mailbox, which does not need a license, and then set up an email flow to reject or delete any incoming messages to that mailbox. You can also add an automatic reply to inform the senders that they should not reply to the address and provide them with an alternative way to contact you. Here are the steps to create a no reply email address using a shared mailbox and mailflow rule. First of all, create a shared mailbox in the Exchange Admin Center. Go to Recipients, Mailboxes, and click Add a Shared Mailbox button. Assign an email address and display name according to the mailbox function, such as no reply at yourdomain.com and no reply. Set up a Mailflow rule for the shared mailbox. Go Mailflow rule and click Add a rule button on the new rule page. Click More Options and then configure the rule as follows. Apply this rule if this recipient is this email, and as you can see, do the following: reject the message with the explanation, this is not a reply email address, please do not reply to this message. Save the rule and give it a name such as no reply rule, and just like that you have made yourself a no reply email. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.